You know that point where you're just even too weak to be angry? That's the point I'm at. That is the point I'm at. So I'm at Virginia right now for a friend's wedding, and everything that has led up to this moment of me being in this hotel room has been very chaotic. This morning I almost missed my flight. I went to the airport. I tried to print out my bag tags, and for some reason it printed just one, and I had 3 bags. The machine stopped working, and so I couldn't print the remaining 2. I had to talk to the agents to help me, and it's United Airlines, by the way. I didn't know that they were this messed up. I tried to get them to help me out, but they were not even helpful. They were just going up and down, going up and down. And so at the end, someone sorted me out and printed out all my tags. And by that time, I was already late because my flight was for 11 and this is past 10. After that, I realized that my bags were overweight. So I had to rearrange stuff, and I had to run to the plane. I was literally the last person to board. When I got to the gate, nobody was there. So fast forward to the end of the flight. By the way, my stomach was just behaving funny. I was restless during the flight. When I arrived at the airport, I discovered that they had damaged my bag because, please, tell me, just look at this, look at my bag, just look at that. The wheel is gone, it's literally open. I can literally see the intestine of my bag. I didn't even know where to start being mad from because I also went to the service office or whatever it's called, and this guy was just wasting time on the person before me. And again, I had to join my final project presentation from one of my courses. I had to join that, so I had time constraints, but I had to wait for the guy because once you leave the airport, there's a procedure. Maybe they will not even help you again. So I had to wait for over 30 minutes. Finally, he responds, and then their form requires you to put an address where they want you to where you want them to deliver the new luggage that they will be replacing. And the annoying part is that from here, I'm actually not going back home. I'm going to Nigeria. So I was confused as to what address to put, whether my Nigerian address or back home in California. So I eventually put California, but the guy was not even helpful. He's like, oh, I don't know, I can't help you with that. I don't know which address you should put and all of that. So I eventually put my address back home, whatever. So maybe I'll eventually have to get another luggage here, and I really don't know. But I eventually left there, and during my presentation, my group was really dragging it. And so I had to do mine from the car. And then I came to the hotel. Now this is another issue. I booked my accommodation with the wedding planning, with the wedding concierge platform, and please, I asked for an extended stay because my flight to Nigeria is in 3 days. So I had to ask for an extra day because I need to stay here for an extra day. They confirmed, that's the concierge, they confirmed that it has been booked. And now I get here to the front desk, and the front desk is telling me that my 3rd night has not been booked. I was lost, what is going on? I didn't just even have the strength. I was just you know what, I'll send an email to them, they'll figure it out, and I just need to rest right now. So I don't know what's going to happen, but I do not have my 3rd night figured out yet. But I'm kind of pleased with the room. It's a studio, and I'm going to show you around. So this is Residence Inn. Honestly, I did not even expect that a studio would cost this amount. I thought it would be larger, but I'm actually quite impressed. Nothing to cook because I didn't bring anything. It's got everything basically. I see a microwave. I don't know if that's a pot, but cooking utensils. So I think I might just do grocery store for the last 2 days I'll be here instead of eating out. A table, couch, table and chair, TV. Yeah, this is the dining area. And this is the bed. So what I like to do anytime I get to a hotel is like unravel the bed to see if they're hiding any stain. So I don't get any surprises at night. No, they are not. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. What is this? Okay, secret door. And ooh, where's the light here? Yeah, this is the, let me see if there's a light. Okay. This is the closet. Mirror that is shorter than me. Hello. And this is a toilet, so the bathroom. Looks good. I mean, it's quite surprising because where I'm coming from, I don't think you'll see this kind of place for this kind of amount. And I'm happy because normally I also live in a studio, so this is just like, I can stretch my legs and it's nice. So tomorrow is the wedding and I still have like a presentation to attend. I've recorded that presentation with my group members, but I still have to attend class to get a grade, unfortunately. So yeah, once I'm done with that by 12 a.m. I will have time to sleep because I've not slept today. I've not eaten. I brought some food from home. Hopefully it's still good, so I'll just microwave it and eat. And yeah, call it a night because I'm very stressed. I'm even too stressed to be stressed. I don't know what that means, but it just means a lot. It's like the stress is deeply rooted. Anyways, I just hope I have fun because my head is aching right now and I need to eat. By the way, this is going to be my first Nigerian wedding outside Nigeria. Like, I'm so excited. Like, oh, I've not been to a wedding in a long time. And now this is going to be Nigerian wedding outside Nigeria. Like, I'm very excited. I have my trad wear, I have my gilly, I have everything. You know, ooh, I'm ready to turn up. Good morning. Oh my God, I'm experiencing my first snow. It's snowing. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at the snow. It is snowing. Oh my God. This is crazy. You know, in California, there's no snow, so this is my first time actually seeing snow. This is so amazing. Oh my God. I'm so excited. So I'll go down now for breakfast. Last night, I slept like 3. I was with the guys. We're just talking. I had my projects, presentation. So I slept very late. And this is 8 a.m. past 8. So I need to go and have breakfast before, I don't know if it's going to finish or anything. So yeah, let me just wear shoes because I have to go out. Woo! Okay, I'm baby like a Yoruba auntie. Are you not? Oh my God. This is so exciting. So we're out here. We're outside in this snow. Oh my God, I just came back from the snow. My ears, my nose, they were on fire. Like, they were stiffening up and they were aching. Could it get any worse? I accidentally went to book the extra day for January. I did not see that it was January that the calendar was showing me, so I booked January instead of December. I don't know how to fix it because they said it's not refundable. Honestly, could it be any worse? Seriously, could it be any worse? I don't know. I just need to sit down, maybe sleep and wake up again because I don't know what's going on. I called the luggage repair company and they said I could just go ahead to buy one and send the receipt to the airline. So I think I'm going to do that later. But right now I want to get ready for the wedding. I want to do my makeup and then go over to the venue because the Gilly artist is going to be there because I don't Gilly is just a lot for me. I've tried in the past and it just doesn't work out, so I'll just give somebody that knows how to tie it well because I want to look good. I don't want any like roughly done Gilly. Okay, so yeah, let's get to the makeup. I don't know why this mirror is so short. They didn't make this room for a short person. This is what I look like. Oh my god, I look like an African princess. Ooh. Back from the wedding, and there was this particular auntie or woman, Nigerian auntie. She was so determined to hook me up with a man. Like, she just saw me and then she's like, come, are you single? How old are you? Oh, where do you live? I said California. And then she's like, oh wow, the person she wanted to introduce me to is, she said the person she wants to introduce me to is somewhere else. And then she's like, oh, she knows somebody in California that she's going to introduce us together. And she was like literally just following me around the hall. Like, anytime she sees me, she's like, oh, I need to introduce you, I need to connect you guys together. I'm like, what makes you think that I'm looking for any, like, you know what, Nigerian aunties will always be Nigerian aunties. It's fine. But anyways, we're back and would head out for the after party soon. Soon. My legs are killing me. Gosh, cute heels, but they are tight. I'm not sure how I want to rock this for the other weddings in Nigeria, to be honest. I'm off to the after party with this kind of weather, honestly. Yeah, so I'm off to the after party. Bye-bye. Good morning. Last night at the after party, it wasn't really after party per se, because we just went to a lounge, we sat, we ate, talked, so it wasn't much of dancing and all of that. And the club was like 3 sections where they were playing music for the whole, so we could not like have music specifically tailored to us, so it wasn't much fun. But yeah, it was still nice to be outside. And I leave tomorrow. I was able to renew or to extend my stay. I just had to pay the hotel again. So the payment I made to the concierge company, I don't know what will happen to that one, but I hope that they refund me. But yeah, that one is sorted. I leave for Nigeria tomorrow. And I'm excited. I'm going to be part of the planning for my sister's wedding next week. before I leave, I want to go to Ross to check for another luggage to replace mine, because they asked me to send the receipts to them so that they can refund it. So hopefully I find one, and then I'll just go for some sightseeing around with someone I met on this trip. And from there, yeah, I still need to do some project assignments, so I'll do that on my way and get everything done. Yeah. Oh my God, today was a day. We went to all those places. We went to the we took an Uber to the National Mall area, and we started with the Museum for African American Culture. Sorry, I can't remember the name, but yes. After that, we went to the Washington Monument. Then we went to Lincoln Memorial, and then we went to what's the name of? Went to the Capitol. I begged the person that was with me to go to the Capitol, and in the middle of all these things, we rented scooters, right? So when we wanted to park at the Lincoln Memorial, we, for some reason, because we did like ride together, the plan, we bought a bundle and all of that, it wasn't letting us pause the ride, so we had to end it. And unknown to us, if you can only unlock the bike lock when you book the ride or something like that. So for some reason it wasn't registering me as the user, and then we locked the bike, and then that was it. It was just crazy, man. It was crazy. We're trying to figure it out. No. Yeah, a little bit of chaos here and there, but we still figured it out. And I even taught the person that was with me how to ride a scooter. So yay, accomplishment for me. Yeah, it was fun, but it was pretty cold. And then after that, I stopped at Ross to get a new luggage. It's a bit slimmer than the original one, but I think this will do, hopefully. So I wanted something that would like be around the same weight, because I didn't want something that would be heavy and then they would tell me that, oh, I've exceeded my weight limit again. So that's why I got this one. And tomorrow I leave for Nigeria. Yes, I went to eat at Famous Dave's and Bar just now. I just came back. I ate a burger and salad. Right now I just want to sleep, but then I have to pack my things together because I have to leave for the airport by 9 a.m. When I was riding the scooter, my fingers were literally in pain, serious pain. It was, I don't know what it was, but I've never felt something like that before. It was too cold, and we're not wearing gloves now. It was crazy. It was a crazy but fun experience. But overall, I've enjoyed my stay here so far, especially this studio accommodation. And yeah, it's been worthwhile. It's been worth my time. I like traveling. I like moving. So this has not been a regretful journey for me. So tomorrow I'm going to Nigeria. I'm excited, but I'm not excited about the 7-hour layover. But yeah, I'm excited. Whoop whoop. All right, so this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye.